24 hours a day since the storm hit, Salem-Keizer public school team members have been working. They've been checking weather, they've been checking roads, they've been taking care of our buildings, fixing issues, keeping our kids safe and fed, and we're so grateful.
Hello, Salem-Keizer maintenance team. Thank you so much for all the hard work you put in this week to make sure our schools were ready for students.
Hey, Salem-Keizer custodial staff, this is Olga Cobb, and I wanted to come and say thank you so much for all the work you have done in the past few days to help us open our schools today to our students. Your care for our buildings, your care for our staff is seen and appreciated greatly. Thank you so very much.
Hello to everyone in the Transportation Department. I'm Suzanne West, and I just want to thank you on behalf of the organization for all that you've done this past week to help us through the weather event, driving roads, checking the condition of the buildings, bringing kids to school today. We see what you've done. We appreciate it. We couldn't do this work without you in the organization. Thank you.
Hey, I just want to say thank you to our safety and risk team. We know you've been working around the clock to make sure that our schools are safe, and it's been a crazy week. I just want to say thank you, and we appreciate you, and I hope you get caught up on some well-deserved rest.
Thank you for everything you've done to get our kids back in school safely and for everything you always do.